Hello, Learning to Find Love affiliates. I am making this recording to walk you through the steps of posting one of our ads to Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is log in, which you can do at any time at the bottom of all the pages of our website. So just click on the sign in, and we're going to do that. Log in. I'll get my account here. And the first thing you're going to come to is your affiliate dashboard. And this is where you'll find your all-important affiliate link that has your specific ID on it. And this is all you need, really. You can just email this to people, put it in your newsletters, whatever. But if you want to use one of our ads that we've created for you, you just go to this ads link here. And see, there's this code. This is great if you're going to embed it into a website, but it's too much for Facebook. So instead, I'm going to show you an alternate way to do it. What you want to do is you want to right-click on the ad that you like, and you want to open it in a new tab. And there it is. We're going to come back to that. We're also going to need that affiliate link. So we're going to go back to the home, the dashboard. And here it is right here. And we're going to go ahead and copy that. We're going to need that first. So copy link address. Now go to your Facebook, and to create a post, you're going to write something, you know, register today for our next Learning to Find Love webinar starting June 11th. Click here to learn more. And we're going to paste that link right into here. And what Facebook does is it fetches an image from the website. Whenever you post a link, Facebook does that, but we don't want this image. We want the one that has the date on it and is created. We want one of the ads. So there's a little X right here. You want to click on that and go back to that tab where we opened up the ad, and right-click on that and copy the image. And you're going to put your cursor in your post right after the link, and just right-click and select paste. And it's loading up right here. And this is the one that has the date on it, and it will be linked as well. So anybody that clicks on the picture or on your link, it will get credited to your affiliate ID. All right, so let's post it. And I have a really slow internet connection this morning. All right, that's it. That's it. Hello, ad. There we are. Register today for our next Learning to Find Love webinar starting June 11th. Click here to learn more, and they will go directly to the website. It will carry my ID along with it. And even if they don't register right away, there's a cookie that's created so that if they come back on their own, even without your link, within 21 days, then you will be able to get credit for that. All right, so there we go. I hope that's helpful. I'm just going to point out one more quick thing here. There's, in addition to the ads, what is called creatives right here. If you click on that, there's this code that is and copy that's already done for you. So if you want to just copy and paste it and put it in an email, it will have your ID instead of mine, because you'll be signed in when you're doing this. And it says, you know, are you ready to stop wishing and to stop settling, during this 8-week webinar. It gives a little bit of a blurb, so you don't have to even think about it. You just copy and paste it, put it in an email, and send it off to your peeps. All right, I hope this helps. If you ever have any questions, you can always reach me, and I'm always happy to help. All right, thank you.